Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to fix Prime Video using a lot of data. So let's get started. This shows that streaming video can consume a significant amount of data. Here's a breakdown of how to reduce data usage when using Prime Video. 1. You need to adjust your video quality. This is the most effective way to control data consumption. So lowering the resolution directly reduces the amount of data used. Then you can also use the Prime Video app, especially on mobile devices, to reduce the quality. Look for settings related to stream quality, options like data saver or lower resolution settings will significantly decrease data usage. Second step you can take is to download content over Wi-Fi. If you know you'll be watching content on the go, download this while connected to a Wi-Fi network. This avoids using your mobile data. Prime Video also allows you to download videos for offline viewing, so be sure to adjust video download quality settings. Be sure to adjust the download quality settings to lower resolutions if you are concerned about storage space. The third step you can take is to manage app settings. Ensure the Prime Video app and other apps on your device are not using data in the background. Check your device's settings to restrict background data usage. Specifically in the Prime Video mobile app settings, the setting to turn off stream highest quality on Wi-Fi. This will help prevent the app from using high data amounts even when on a Wi-Fi connection. Then lastly, using your Wi-Fi usage. Whenever possible, prioritize using Wi-Fi for streaming. This is the simplest way to avoid using your mobile data. Video quality settings can vary between devices. Changes made on one device may not apply to others, so you have to change them individually. Prime Video also uses adaptive bitrate streaming, which means the video quality automatically adjusts based on your internet connection. This can lead to higher data usage if you have a strong connection. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage data usage while enjoying Prime Video content.